Why block inappropriate websites in Chrome?
Keeping kids safe online is crucial. Inappropriate sites can expose children to harmful content or risks. By blocking these websites in Google Chrome, parents and guardians can create a safer digital environment for young users, limit distractions, and help guide healthy browsing habits. Chrome offers several built-in features and additional tools to help you take control of your child's online experience.
Using Google Chrome's SafeSearch feature.
Enable it to be guided by Google Search. Visit the Google Search settings page and turn on SafeSearch. This setting helps block sexually explicit sites and images in Google search results. While it's not foolproof, SafeSearch is a helpful first step in minimizing exposure to inappropriate content right from the browser.
Setting up Google Family Link for parental controls.
Google Family Link lets you manage your child's web activity. Download the Family Link app and set up an account for your child. Through Family Link, you can restrict browsing to only approved websites, block specific sites, and review activity. This tool is especially effective for supervising younger children or teens who use their own device.
Blocking websites with extensions.
Chrome extensions offer more blocking options. Search for trusted extensions like BlockSite or Stay Focused in the Chrome Web Store. Install your chosen extension, then add websites to your block list. Some extensions provide advanced features, including scheduling, password protection, and reporting. Always review extension permissions and user ratings before installing.
Tips, limitations, and ongoing supervision.
No tool is 100% effective. Tech-savvy kids may find workarounds, and new sites constantly appear. Regularly review Chrome settings, update block lists, and have open conversations about online safety with your kids. Combining browser controls, apps, and family discussions is the best approach to protecting children as they explore the web.